Indeed, pottoos are fascinating and unique birds. They belong to the family Nyctibidae, which consists of 7 species within the genus Nyctibius. Pottoos are primarily found in Central and South America, inhabiting tropical rainforests and woodlands. Pottoos are predominantly nocturnal birds, meaning they are most active during the night. Pottoos have exceptional camouflage that helps them blend seamlessly with their surroundings. Their mottled gray or brown plumage, combined with their cryptic patterns, makes them resemble tree branches or dead tree stumps. Overall, pottoos exhibit a fascinating array of adaptations that enable them to thrive in their nocturnal habitat while avoiding detection during the daytime.